Welcome back to another video. If you've watched the previous video on how to set up your Loupedeck Plus and you've downloaded the free bank preset, today I'm going to show you how to install that. So once you've downloaded the preset, it's going to be in your downloads folder. What I did was I created a new folder on my desktop and I named it settings. I dragged the file. What I did was I dragged the file and dropped it into these settings, which is for the bank. Now what you'll do is you're going to I've actually completely cleared out all my stuff on CommandPost just for you guys to check it out, let you know that it actually works. So what I did was I dragged the file from my downloads into my settings, and now we're going to go over to control surfaces, and then we're going to go to bank 3 just because this is where it was previously set to. We're going to go to import settings, we're going to go to merge, and you're going to go to that same folder, that same settings, and we're going to go to that same settings folder. You're going to click on the preset, you're going to hit open, and voila. Everything is set exactly to the settings that I created. You can even close this, and then we're going to close that. We're going to open CommandPost again just to show you guys. If it'll open for me. Control surfaces. There we go. Taking a moment, and there we are. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to install it. And thank you guys once again for your support. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know how you like this, how you've been using it. Show me what you've created, what you've done with it. Thank you for your support. Thank you for following this channel. Until next time.